For a ride in the country, it's about, what, 24 kilometers or so. You have to be a competent bike rider. That's on the, you clicked on terms and conditions, right? But maybe, let me spell it out here in practical terms. If you're wobbling on a bike, if you can't look over your shoulder and signal at the same time and be aware of how to deal with traffic,
the highway which goes all the way around Amsterdam, and if you didn't hear so, this highway is exactly the area, this area, which Amsterdam wants to make completely 100% electric by 2030. Now, you guys know why the windmills became so famous in 1600? Exactly, those were the water pumps in the early days. So you would have a dike like this surrounding land which is lower than the water like this. And you have a windmill on the edge, which will actually soon get to another windmill where we also stop. This is actually the only water pump you see, is in this thing. So this is actually sucking out water, pushing it up, and that goes to the river.
A real Parmesan cheese is almost same made. A few hundred years ago, there were a few thousand shoemakers, they cut them by hand. If you cut them by hand. Hola, die sticky.
Yeah, it's recording. It's a video.
Hey, happy lady.
Thank you.
Happy lady.
I take from the plate.
Naturel, Katiam, Pitai en
Katiam
Romkwan.
Piktai. Okay.
Dit is Katiam, deze is Pitai en Romkwan. Ja.
Romkwan. You're really good.
En deze mustard. En Roy.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
En Roy.
อร่อยมาก
Na 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 na. Apa mesti? Ya.
Oh, you like my phone? Oh. Can I pet you?
Well, if you want.
Really?
Yeah, we'll grab some of this. And if you know how to, hold your hand flat here, just like we hold.